right, this next one is for the upper back, in between the shoulder blades specifically. This is good for posture. Try and help pull the chest back up. We're gonna take a Theraband. I'm picky about how I hold it. I like to hold it kind of flat. I'm gonna bring it right out against the chest. So what's important here is that you bring it to the chest. I'm not crazy about getting it too far backwards. I'm just gonna bring it right there. You can see it's nice and broad against the palm of my hand. And when I get back, I'm gonna squeeze my shoulder blades together. I'm gonna turn this way so you can kind of see, again, what I'm doing. I'm pulling it to my chest, and then I'm pulling my shoulder blades back and in, and just kind of letting that control right through there. That's, you could do that 3 sets of 10, a couple times a day.